With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students. The question is identify A, B, C, D, E. A, while substance reacts with dilute H2SO4 to produce a colorless gas B and a colorless solution C. The reaction between the B and acidified potassium dichromate solution produces a green solution and slightly colored precipitate D. The substance D burns in air to produce a gas E, which reacts with B to yield D and a colorless liquid. Anhydrous copper sulphate is turned blue on addition of this colorless liquid. Addition of aqueous ammonia or NaOH to C produces a precipitate. So let's see the chemical reaction. The compound A is zinc sulfide. This zinc sulfide, when reacts with sulfuric acid, dilute sulfuric acid, it produces a colorless gas. This colorless gas is H2S, B, and a colorless solution C, which is zinc sulfate. This is already a balanced equation. Next, the reaction between B and acidified potassium dichromate solution produces a green solution. Reaction between B, that means H2S, and acidified potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7 produces a gas slightly colored precipitate D, Cr3 positive S plus water. When we balance this, it is plus potassium dichromate plus 8H positive ions, because to balance oxygen there is 7 water molecules are added plus 8H positive ion and 2 chromium. These ions are green in color. Okay, and slightly colored precipitate D is formed. The substance D burns in air to produce gas E, which reacts with B to yield D and a colorless liquid. Okay, so substance D, that means sulfur, reacts with oxygen to form SO2 gas, which is substance E, and this E further reacts with B, that means H2S, to produce sulfur and water. When we balance these, hydrogen plus 2 water and 3 sulfur. So this is the compound which is formed, and water is a colorless liquid. Then anhydrous copper sulfate is turned blue on addition of this colorless liquid. Why anhydrous copper sulfate turns blue on addition of this colorless liquid? Because copper sulfate, this is anhydrous, which is white in color, and when water is added into anhydrous copper sulfate, it changes into blue solution, because now it becomes hydrous. Addition of aqueous ammonia or NaOH to C produces a first precipitate. That means Zn2 positive plus OH negative, NaOH or OH negative, produces a first precipitate, which is ZnOH2, and this precipitate is formed, it comes out, and this is the balanced equation. Okay, so this is the complete balanced equation. In this reaction, what happened? First, there was a compound A, this is compound A, which reacts with dilute H2SO4 to produce hydrogen sulfide, a colorless gas, a colorless gas and a colorless liquid. Then the reaction between B and acidified potassium dichromate takes place, and a green solution is produced. This is the green solution, and a colored precipitate D is formed. After that, the substance D burns in air. burns in air and formation of SO2 takes place, and further this reaction proceed, and at last formation of this zinc hydroxide precipitate is formed.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.